Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Walmart step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Walmart app or visiting the Walmart website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access your personalized dashboard. Navigate to the Budgeting Tools section, typically found in the menu. Click on Create a Budget. Set your total monthly income based on your financial situation. Outline your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and insurance. List variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Assign a dollar amount to each category, being as realistic as possible. Use the built-in calculators to ensure your allocations are within your income limits. Explore the Savings Goals feature to plan for future purchases. Add any specific goals such as holiday shopping or a vacation fund. Consider using the shopping list tool to estimate your grocery costs. Input the items you need and check their prices within the app. Review your budget regularly and adjust as needed based on actual spending. Utilize Walmart's weekly ads and savings to stay within your budget. Monitor your transactions to track your spending and stick to your budget. Revisit your budget each month to refine your categories and amounts. Stay committed to your financial goals for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.